Hello guys, I'm going to replace 2013 Audi Q5 blower motor. Check fuses first, then go from there. Guys, before removing the blower motor, just diagnose the connection, ground and power. If there is ground and power, then diagnose the blower motor, remove and test it. To replace it, you have to remove this cover. There's a bolts. Remove the side cover. One bolt is here, then two bolts under here, and then four bolts here. Remove the bolts and take out, first you have to take out this cover, then you can access to the blower motor. One more bolt hiding inside behind this box. Remove the box and you are able to access that bolt. Remove the bolt and then you can take it out of the glove box. Finally, I reached to the blower motor. I'm gonna remove and test it. To take out the blower motor, just hold and turn left side. It's gonna come out. There is no bolt on this blower motor. Now I'm going to check it. To test the blower motor, attach the power probe to the battery. The power probe is on, the power probe, and then connect with the blower motor, and then connect with the blower motor and turn on the probe. The blower motor is gone, it's not working. We need to replace the blower motor. There, how we test the blower motor. The new blower motor is here. We'll show you how we test the old one. The same thing, we're gonna test the new one as well. Connect the probe tester with the blower motor and the battery. We'll see this is gonna run or not. Here you go, it's running nicely. That means the old blower motor is gone. So we are going to replace blower motor.